Okay, on chapter 7-6 notes, we're going to use point slope to find the equation of a line. So we're going to be given a point and a slope, and from the point and the slope, we're going to find the equation of the line. Okay, the formula for point slope is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. And the y, the regular y and the regular x are part of the formula, so they'll always be there. The y1, the x1, and the m, we're going to end up putting numbers in. So example 1, the slope is 3, m equals 3, that's the slope, and the point that we're using is 5, 2. So the point 5, 2, that's x of the point, it's x1, and the 2 is the y1. So that's what we're going to plug into the formula. So y minus, and the y1 is 2, equals m is 3, and then x minus x1 is 5. So all I've done is plugged in the x1, the y1, and the m. Okay, now we're going to do distributive property. So 3 times x minus 3 times 5. We get y minus 2 equals 3x minus 15. And the last step is to isolate the y. So we need to bring the minus 2 to the other side, and it becomes plus 2. And now we can write the equation of the line. Y equals 3x minus 13. So that's the equation of the line. Y equals 3x minus 13. Example 2, the point is negative 2, 1, and the slope is negative 3. Again, this is x1, y1. Okay, now we're going to plug it into the formula. So that's y minus y1 is 1 equals m is negative 3, and then x minus x1 is negative 2. Okay, we have a minus negative, so that's change. So now it's x plus 2. So we do distributive property. Y minus 1 equals negative 3x, and then negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6. Okay, and the last step is to isolate the y. So we bring the minus 1 over there, and it becomes plus 1. So the equation of the line is y equals negative 3x minus 5. Okay, example 3, the point is 1, 4, and the slope is negative 2/3. So we're going to plug it into the point slope formula. That's y minus 4 equals negative 2/3 x minus 1. We do distributive property. So now we have y minus 4 equals negative 2/3 x, and that's negative times negative, so that's positive 2/3. Okay, and the last step is to isolate the y, bring the minus 4 to the other side, it becomes plus 4, and the equation of the line is y equals negative 2/3 x plus, and then 2/3 plus 4 is 4, and 2/3. So that's the equation of the line. Okay, in example 4, they give you 2 points, but they don't give you the slope. But because you have 2 points, you can find the slope of the line that has those 2 points. The formula for finding slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so let's label our points. That's the first point, so x of the first point, y of the first point. 2, 3 is the second point, so x of the second point, y of the second point. Then we plug it into the formula. So now m equals 3 minus 1 and 2 minus 1. So the slope is 2 over 1 or just regular 2. Either way. Okay, now we have the slope m equals 2, and it doesn't matter which point you use, the equation will come out the same since it's the equation that contains both points. So we're just going to use this one because it's the first point, and it looks like it's the easiest one to use for our y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. So that's y minus 1 equals m is 2, x minus x1, which is 1. Do distributive property. So now we have y minus 1 equals 2x minus 2. Bring the minus 1 to the other side, becomes plus 1. So the equation for the line is y equals 2x minus 1. So there's just one more step. You have to find the slope first, and then you have to use one of the points. It doesn't matter which one, the equation will come out exactly the same.